If you were born in the 70s, 80s, or 90s, chances are you know of and love the Back to the Future franchise. From Marty McFly to Dr. Emmett Brown to Biff Tannen, it has some of the all-time great movie characters. But the characters weren't the only thing that fascinated us. It was also the gadgets. And there's one gadget that stood out above all the rest. Yeah, you know what I'm about to say. The Delorean. The Delorean was simply amazing. And still to this day, it continues to fascinate old and new fans alike. But how fast was the DeLorean? Let's take a look. The DeLorean comes from the DeLorean Motor Company. The company was in business from 1975 to 1982. The DeLorean has a top speed of 100 miles per hour, but it says 85. But those who have drove it, it says 100. But according to Doc, if you want to travel back in time or in the future, you have to hit that 88 miles per hour and send Einstein into the future for you. Just by a couple of minutes. For more great videos, please subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, stay fun, stay family, and stay fast. Peace.